Hi, it's Tammy with Family of Purpose, and I'm excited to share something new with you. It was new for me just a couple weeks ago, and may be new to you as well. My friend Samantha posted that she got a whole box of Brandless stuff. I was intrigued and I watched it. Then I contacted her and asked her more questions and did my own research. And then I ordered from Brandless. Brandless is basically an online store that takes the middleman out of it. So they have no big names or advertisements that they have to pay. Basically, it's a lot cheaper food. Now, it's just pantry food. You won't find any like meat and produce, but I was impressed. And everything in Brandless is organic. Ding, 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 ding. Organic is the big buzzword. Now, we don't really live everything in organic in our home. We don't. Some things we do, but most things we don't. Some people, that's all they buy is organic. So for you folks, you will probably fall in love with this company. And the other thing is that it's everything on their website is $3. That's right, everything is $3. And if you order $39 or more, which is super easy to do, you get free shipping and $6 off. So this has been in my foyer for 3 days. I waited to open it in front of you because this is my very first time as well. Let's move it here and see what I got. I'm super excited. That doesn't take much to excite me. Now remember, everything is $3 that I have, and it's all organic. Oops, that's funny. It says, woohoo, you've gone brandless, open me up. You will. And this has a free postcard, welcome to Brandless, and then my order. We don't need any of that because we're gonna see what we got. Okay, I got these from my husband. Yes, I did. These are sweet potato crisps. They're cinnamon sugar. These are $3. Oh, yum. I got these from me. White cheddar popcorn, $3. Yellow corn tortilla chips, $3. Organic. Yum. These, they said, sell out so fast, so I snagged one box to see if we liked them. And they are the maple cream cookies, $3, organic. Blueberry muffin mix, no artificial flavors, organic. Now, my husband loves Kraft macaroni and cheese, but I just had to try this. This was 2 for $3, and it's shell and white cheddar macaroni and cheese.
Not gonna work.
Oh, it's gonna work.
It's not gonna work.
The price is right, and it's organic. Funny. Virgin coconut oil, $3. My daughter's been wanting me to get this at the store, and I always forget it. This is organic and $3, my friends. Then we have dried fruit, nut, and salad toppers. No GMO, vegan, no artificial flavors or colors, no preservatives. Organic. These are for my son. Gummy fruit wedges, organic, great price. This is for my husband and my son. Original beef jerky. It's not a very big bag, but beef jerky is expensive. And this is organic and made from 100% grass-fed beef, and it's hickory, so I think they'll like this little snack. If it gets to my son. My husband may eat it first. Ooh, and then I got some spices, some Italian seasoning spices. Did try the roasted garlic pasta sauce, organic. It looks good. What do we have here? It's kind of like Christmas. Look at all this stuff I got for under $39. Actually, $39 minus $6 plus free shipping. That's pretty good for all that you do the grocery shopping at your house. Whew, what is this? They protect it well. Ooh, my dressing. This is my Italian dressing. $3. Organic and gluten-free. Maple syrup. This is what sold me. This is pure maple syrup. Under the ingredients, it says pure organic maple syrup. There's nothing added to this. And those of you that like maple syrup know that this cost a mint. This was $3 for maple syrup, organic. That alone should make you want to buy that.
Oh.
And I think there's one more in here. Yep. Raspberry or blackberry seedless fruit spread, organic. This is a huge container for $3. So all of this food, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16 items for under $39 minus $6. And they have a whole slew of other items. These are just the ones that I want to try. A lot of pastas, more sauces, a lot more spices, just a ton of things to choose from. They also have bundles, like snack bundles that you can pick from. They also have a college one that you can send to the dorm. It's just endless. And the nice thing about Brandless is they just, like I said earlier, take the middleman out of it, and they can offer all this for a lot cheaper because they have no brands on them. And just a little story for those of you that still don't believe me. I have a friend that worked in the soup business, and I won't say who. She was telling me that she went to the factory, and this is what happens. The soup is just rolling, and they put the labels on with the brand name. Then they stop everything, and then they change the labels and put generic labels on them. So I know without a doubt, at least with soup and some canned stuff, and even some pastas, they're the exact same thing. You're just paying for the branding and all the advertising. No reason. Leave the middleman out and save your family some money with all organic food. I have a link down below. If you click that link, you will automatically save $6 on your order. Do that right now, check it out, and then start blessing your family and your family's budget. Check it out, I dare you to. I also want to tell you about something exciting that my husband and I just launched. It's a Family with Purpose marriage and parenting course. You can find that information on fwponline.com/FWP. Check that out too as well and get some information about families and parenting and marriage. If you like this video, be sure to share it, comment if you've even heard of Brandless or if you want to start using it, and be sure to like our videos too. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Our channel is about everything family, everything home, everything about us. So we're pretty crazy around here, but we want to share our craziness with you and our savings. Until next time, check out Brandless. Don't forget to click the link below and save $6. You'll be glad you did. Take care.